Sandals Curacao room to Oceanview beachfront balcony club level. When you walk to the room, there is some information behind the door. It's for emergency to know what you have to do, where to go. Please take some time to look at it. And then on this side is carbon monoxide that could, save your life, and where you can adjust the temperature of the room. Now look at this beautiful bathroom with a nice mirror with lighting around it, and on the bottom of the sink you'll find plenty of towels. And also this other small mirror is good to look at your face. There's a light you can switch to turn on and off. This beautiful wall, the towel they use make you feel close to the ocean. You have body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and cream. Let's look at the toilet, which is separate, and you have a sliding door to close it. That's very nice touch, very important. And now let's walk back to go to the left to look at this beautiful big shower surrounding by glass. And inside, the tile theme continue while you're taking a shower. Maybe you can feel like you're still close to the ocean. And also there's a rain shower. Most people probably like that. Very big, more space than unexpected. And on the back here, they have plenty of shelves for you to put your toiletries. It's a very big shower. 2 people can shower inside there. So let's go take a look at the closet. This closet is very big. It has its own safe to keep your things safe, and you have 2 robes after you shower to keep you warm. Plenty of towels and blankets in case you need it if you cold at night, and there's plenty of space in that closet. And now for you guys who love to drink and mix in, this is for free. There's no extra charge. They refill this refrigerator every day based on what you like. You can tell them which kind of drink, soda, whatever. There's no extra cost. Yes, look at all these great liquors for you guys. Now let's go take a look at the room. This room is grand. It's beautiful. The best I ever had at Sandals. And on this side, there's a lamp, a table, and also there's a European USB and a drawer to put small things, and on the bottom you can store other bigger things. And look at this bed. It's big. It's a king size bed. It has a long bench at the edge of the bed. You can sit there also to get ready or watch the TV. Let's look on the other side. It's the same as the other side, as the right side. You have the lamp here. And this wall, oh my God, the minute you walk in, you see this wall, you're happy. You know you're on the island, you know you're on vacation. Nice couch to lay down to watch TV, put your feet up. Look at that beautiful view. And on this side, you have a coffee maker, which I never use because there's some good coffee downstairs. Those 2 big drawers to put your things. There is some arts, and this bench and this table here, you can sit there also and get ready. There is a big flat screen TV. There's a drawer here, very deep, grand, takes a lot of things, a lot of things. And on this side, there's another drawer also. Look at that. And then on the bottom, plenty of storage, plenty of European USB. Everything you need is in this room and much more. I really enjoy it. I didn't know what to do with myself. Look at the piece of art on the wall, and this bed. Man, this is really, really good. So now let's go take a look at this beautiful balcony oceanfront. There's some art on the wall, and this is where you really hang your wet clothes when you come from the beach. There's a table and 2 chairs for you to sit down and watch this view. And this is like a basket, but it's actually a light. There's a big ball in there. Let's still continue watching this view. Every night, I catch many beautiful sunsets on this balcony. It was truly amazing. I love my balcony. I love my ocean views. Man, I will definitely recommend this. Try it once. Let's take a last look at the room. What an amazing room. I had a great week there. I really enjoy it. God, I can't get enough of that wall. If you guys new, please subscribe, like, share, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.